maybe they turn her over so you can get some in a little bit.
Baby got hiccups.
No, I was just asking because when I went to turn it, stop the alarm, that's what I saw. And I don't know if he should be on heat or not.